Okay, it's the 21st of May, and I got Brock and John and Dave and Tad up here. We're off of Cedar Mountain Road, and we're coming up here to do some work on a damaged bridge off of Trail 731. It's a Thursday. It's chilly. It's been raining the last 2 or 3 days, and it's kind of chilly up here, maybe 50 degrees. So we're dressed warm, and we're carrying a bunch of tools to go fix this bridge.
It's up farther. We're going to Y off, and then it's going to Y again.
Okay.
Turn right, turn right, turn right. There, 3. So where this one goes straight, it's the Lutheran Valley Ranch. And then we're going to go off to the right after we go down to Lutheran.
It's up here. You guys go. All right, we're on Trail 731, and we're here to fix this bridge. I got Dave working the impact, and Brock, and Tad, John, and me.
Do those before we can do these two. Watch out, that'll fall out.
Okay.
Get these two first.
Good. You can pre-drill them. All right, so we got them all, the broken ones out. And we got the new ones laid in there. You guys could probably go with bigger gaps and save.
Yeah, but well,
save one more
we
board.
have one left over, and we could use two somewhere, which is fine. Bigger gaps.
Yeah.
And 2x4s here.
Yeah, I saw they used some smaller wood. 5/16. Any more screws?
Are you out?
Or legs? No, we got plenty.
We got one board.
Okay. Oh, we got one board. Check this one out down here, Brett. There's one that's broken, and there's one that's kind of a bad board. It's right near the broken one on the left side there, right here. This one's broken.
Oh, well, let's replace that one.
And then this one is suspect right here.
Well, we only got one board. All right. So, bridge is repaired.
Get up on the bridge. We'll do a selfie.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
All right, so we blocked off this bypass because it just fills with water after heavy rains. And the other side's already been blocked off. And the bridge is fixed. So we did our good deed for the day.